Yeah, I tell you, brother, it's really out of sight here. Didn't even rain. No buttons to push. Right now, I'd like to dedicate this song to everybody here with hearts, any kind of hearts and ears. Go something like this here. Yeah. Yeah, what I say now. Yes, as I said before, it's really groovy. I'd like to bore you for about 6 or 7 minutes to do a little thing. Yeah. Can they excuse me for a minute? Just let me play my guitar, right? Right now, I'm gonna do a thing by Bob Dylan. That's his grandma over there. It's a little thing called Like a Rolling Stone. Once upon a time, you dressed so fine, through the bumps of diamond in your prime. Or didn't you? People call, say, but where, dog? You're bound to fall. You thought they all. Well, couldn't you? You used to laugh about everybody that was hanging out. Look at you, but now you don't talk so loud. But now you don't, baby, seem so proud. By having to be scrounging, yeah, your name's me. School, all right, Mr. Lonely Bud, you know you only used to get the juice in it. Nobody here to taught you how to live out the streets, and now you just gonna have to get used to it. You say you never compromise. Mystery tramp, but now you got to realize he's not selling any alibi as he stands in the vacuum of his side. And he says, hey baby, would you like to make a deal? How does it feel, baby? And all the pretty people, they all laughing, drinking, thinking that they got it made. Yeah. Exchanging all precious gifts and things, but you better take your diamond ring. I think you better pawn it, babe. Yes, I know, Mr. Burks, don't worry. You used to be so amused at the pulling and rags and the sweet talk that he used. Go to him now, he calls you. You can't refuse. When you ain't got nothing, you got nothing to lose. Here's this one now, you got no cigarettes.